Hi everybody, my name is Rick Walsh. I'm one of the range safety officers at the Preserve. I'm also a retired critical care nurse with 39 years experience in medical, surgical, and coronary fields, and I've acquired a number of skill sets that can help in the case of emergency. Whether you're in the range, at home, on the street, tragedy can strike at any moment. You never know when you or another might get seriously injured and require medical attention, even before professional help can arrive. That's why we at the Preserve Academy offer a hands-on basic wound management course that covers life-saving techniques of wound packing, tourniquet use, splinting, and even CPR. We teach all the basics, and we provide all the materials necessary for you to acquire these critical skill sets. So go to thepreserveacademy.com to sign up and gain knowledge that might help you save a life. When the fun turns to tragedy, be prepared.